Hi everyone, I'm Tina Christudia-Spiru. I'm Neomed's functional medicine practitioner and nutritionist. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to a lot of women's hearts, and probably a problem for most, as over 80% of women have this issue. And what is this issue? Cellulite. What exactly is cellulite? So cellulite is actually that cottage cheese look on the skin because there are globules of fat that are pushing up against the connective tissue and causing this unsightly look. And for a lot of women, they spend a lot of money on treatments that may not necessarily do the trick, because a lot of people don't understand that cellulite starts from the inside. From a functional medicine perspective, we want to look at a couple of things to make sure that we're getting rid of cellulite. And those things are proper digestion and absorption to make sure that your gut is actually able to absorb the nutrients needed to get rid of cellulite. We have to look at liver health to make sure that we are getting rid of toxins and that the liver is functioning optimally to get rid of those toxins. And we have to look at different nutrients and supplements and diet that we can use to get rid of cellulite. What causes cellulite? A lot of various different things. Aging and the loss of elasticity of the skin. It can be caused by bad diet. It can be caused by a sedentary lifestyle. It can be caused by hormonal changes. So if you're a woman and you're going through menopause, or you're a young lady and you've just gotten your period, all these things can cause cellulite, and we need to kind of address them and look at what's going on. If we're talking about hormonal health, for example, here at Neomed, we actually do something called a Dutch test through a dried urine sample. And we're able to look at all these different hormonal changes so that we can address specifically what's going on, so we can get the hormonal health underway to address the cellulite. Another thing that is very important, as I said before, is nutrition, diet. If you eat a lot of sugar, if you eat a lot of refined white flours, if you don't eat enough vegetables or fiber in your diet, you are basically setting the stage for your skin to lose its elasticity and to have a lot of issues with cellulite. So what are some of the things you can do in your diet to help you with your cellulite? The first thing is to make sure that you're drinking plenty of fluid. And a lot of people, even though they drink a lot of fluid, they still have this problem with water retention. So this is a sign that you're probably low in electrolytes. You can get electrolytes by eating more fruits and vegetables that are higher in potassium. You can also get electrolytes by simply taking a supplement with electrolytes, or drinking more coconut water, which is high in electrolytes. Electrolytes actually help the fluid, the water that you're drinking, get into the cells instead of just surrounding the cells and you retaining the water and feeling more bloated. So that's number one. The second thing you can do in your diet is to make sure that every time you have a meal, make sure to include the colors of the rainbow in vegetables. This can be tedious, this can be annoying, this can be, something that most people don't think about, but it is vital when we're talking about getting the antioxidants needed to fight the inflammation that is causing the cellulite. So what you can do is make sure that throughout the day you eat a variety of different vegetables. A great way to do this in a short period of time is to create smoothies or juicing that gets a lot of vegetables and a bit of fruit in there all at once. So that's something that you can try. The third thing that you're going to need to do to help you with your collagen synthesis is actually to take a collagen supplement. And you're going to want to make sure that you're getting enough vitamin C. So vitamin C does come from the vegetables, but a lot of the time we do need to supplement, as most people are deficient. So finding a good collagen plus vitamin C supplement will help a lot with the elasticity of the skin, so that your skin is more firm, so that it doesn't have this dimply look from cellulite. The fourth thing that we can do is to make sure that we're not eating things like sugar and refined white flours. Very important. These things cause aging, they cause inflammation, they cause more cellulite. So it's very important to get them out of the diet. The fifth thing we can do There's actually a lot of research that shows that if we take a proteolytic enzyme or an enzyme like bromelain, it helps to disrupt the connective tissue that's causing that dimply look on the cellulite. So you'll want to talk to your naturopath or functional medicine practitioner of if these supplements are correct and right for you. And the sixth thing that's very important in combating cellulite is exercise. More specifically, those HIIT exercises that make you do a lot of exercise in a small period of time. Speak with your personal trainer or physiotherapist about how these HIIT exercises can work for you. They're very effective against cellulite. And so we see that, having said all of this, that cellulite is not just about the creams and the stuff that you're putting on the actual cellulite. It's your lifestyle and what you're actually doing on the inside that's helping on the outside. Here at NeoMed, we can help a lot with cellulite. We have a lot of different things that we can offer to get rid of these things. We have mud packs, we have a lot of detox protocols, we have infusions that help support the liver to help with the detox. Detoxing is so vital and so important because it decreases the inflammatory load of the body, therefore decreasing the appearance and getting rid of a lot of the cellulite. So if you'd like more information, please give us a call at NeoMed and we're happy to help.